Welcome to the sixth and the final topic on quality and quantity determination. We want to understand various dimensions around quality, and we are beginning to say that quality is the totality of features and characteristics of a product that bears on the ability to satisfy the stated or implied needs. So when we talk about quality, we are looking at quality in relation to features, product features. We are looking at quality in relation to product characteristics, and these characteristics and features are able to satisfy a client's or a customer's needs. Now, we also discuss the factors to consider in quality determination. We call them the 8 dimensions of quality. We have performance, so the product operating characteristics in terms of ability to perform. For example, if it's a car, performance in terms of the coverage of kilometers or the usage of fuel per liter. That is what we discuss around performance. Then we have reliability, the probability of a product surviving over a specified period of time under stated conditions. So is it something that we can rely on, or there are those goods that when we consume them or use them for a very short period, that they break down, that they are no longer working. When we consider quality, then we cannot consider such kind of goods as quality goods. So we look at reliability, serviceability, that is in terms of the speed, accessibility, ease of repairing the item or having it repaired. The other one is a continuation on the factors to consider in quality determination. We have conformance, the degree to which delivered products meet predetermined standards. The other one is durability, measures the projected use available from the product over its intended operating cycle before it deteriorates. So how long can the product last? Then we have features, the bells and whistles or secondary characteristics which supplement the product, the basic functioning or the product's basic functioning. Then we have aesthetics, personal judgments of how a product looks. So when we talk about aesthetics, we look at the outward appearance of goods in terms of sound, taste, smell. And lastly is perceived quality, closely identified with the reputation of the producer. Like aesthetic, it is a personal evaluation. Specification. A specification for an item has been defined as a statement of the attributes of a product. Features of a good specification. So when a product is being defined, we look at the attributes. So some of the features of a good specification, we can talk about simple, we can talk about clear, we can talk about short, we can talk about performance based, we can also talk about not conflicting with the standards. The other one is factors determining quantity to buy. We have the demand, we have the inventory policy, we have the independent demand, we have service level, market conditions, and also the production methods. So when you are determining the quantity, demand is in terms of how many in number are they being asked for. So inventory policy, what does the inventory policy of the organization state in terms of how do we buy, when we buy? Those are rules that organizations put in place, and as you buy, you have also to consider that. So you can read around these factors to be able to expound on them. Then we have an assessment, point 2, in terms of quality control. You will read, and this particular assignment is also 10 marks each, so you will read on them, and then you can be able to discuss those particular questions. And that will bring us to the end on logistics and procurement management, or logistics and procurement skills. I hope that this particular discussion of this module has been enlightening to you, and I encourage you to continue enrolling for other modules so that you can expound your knowledge around whatever module that you will decide to choose. Thank you so much.